Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how you can set your Microsoft Outlook settings. Okay, so sometimes we know that when we swipe left or right, then some email will delete and some email will archive. So if you want to change this option, you can follow my step, then you will learn how you can set anything you can change from this app. Okay, so click on the apps, then go to here. You can see the corner, left top corner, click on it. Then here you can see the option. Okay, lower part, bottom left corner, click on it, setting icon. Okay, so click on this icon, then you can see here the swipe option. You can see this. Okay, so just click on this swipe option, then here you can see the two option, swipe right, that means, and swipe left. So if you want to change as swipe right, okay, so just go there, and here you can see a couple of option you can set. So if you want to set this delete, then when you swipe right, okay, then your message will be deleted. So change, and here you can see archive, mark as read, move to folder, flag, snooze, read, and archive none. Okay, so you need to choose according to your demand or according to your requirement. So if you set swipe left, then change, click on it, then here you can the same option which we saw the first one. Okay, so we just want to see this what happened, and here we can see if we swipe okay left, then conversation archive, and when we swipe right, then conversation deleted. You can see the okay, so you can set it in your Microsoft Outlook Android device. Okay, so friend, today's no more. I hope you got a helpful video from this tutorial. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.